Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to find out how I got my hair from this to this, hey guys, so let's get straight into this video. So the first thing that I'm doing here, I am just brushing out my hair. My roots are really thick. I haven't relaxed my hair in over 3 months, so my roots are very thick, and probably what I should have done before making this video was to relax my hair. That way my hair, when I apply the gel, would be actually laid down. But of course I didn't have time and I didn't think about relaxing my hair, so I just wanted to show you guys how I quickly style this hairstyle. How I get my hair slick despite having very thick roots. And let's get straight into this video. So I'm just making a part in the middle of my hair. I am actually going for a middle part. I'm combing out my hair. So the next thing that I did here is just to put my hair into 3 different sections, and you don't have to do this, but the reason why I did this was because, as I mentioned earlier, my roots are really thick, so it would have been difficult for me to apply the gel on my hair at one time. Next, I'm applying the edge booster to my hair. Guys, this edge booster would lay your hair flat, okay? But one thing I will tell you guys is, before you apply this gel, make sure you're applying it to the right place, because once that gel touches your hair, it's going to be difficult for you to maneuver or manipulate the hairstyle. Here I was initially going for a middle part, and along the line I changed my mind. I wanted to do a V part, and when I did that V part, my hair wasn't laying as flat as I wanted it to, so I wanted to change it back to a middle part. But because I already applied this gel, it was a whole shebang. So you want to make sure you apply the gel all over your hair. I'm applying at the back. I'm starting at the back and then just putting this gel all over my hair. Next, I am going to start applying it at the front section of my hair. Like I mentioned earlier, guys, so I changed my mind from doing a middle part to doing a V part, and here I am just trying to part my hair. Guys, I wish I didn't take this move, because guess what, I already applied gel on the other side, so by the time I finished making that part, that side had already dried up. So guys, this is me applying the gel to the V part. Like I mentioned, as you can see, I just didn't like how this style looked on me, probably because my roots were really thick, so the hair didn't lay as flat as I would have loved it to, but I just didn't like how it came out. So here I am trying to go back to change the hairstyle into a center part. As you can see, the gel was already like slicked down, like it had a really strong hold. If you're using this gel, guys, oh my goodness, this gel has a pretty strong hold. As you can see, I was trying to make a part into a center part, and because I already applied the gel earlier, it was a struggle. Like my hair was already caked down, so oh my goodness, yeah, I was struggling. But the only way that I would have been able to get like a smooth, slick down look was to wash my hair, and at this point, guys, I just didn't have that time, so I was going to make it work one way or the other. Yay, so I finally made it work, but as you guys can see, it wasn't really smooth as I would loved it to be, but it worked out eventually. We're not going to spend too much time on this. All you need to do, put your hair in any style that you want it to, and then apply gel to get a slick look. Pretty straightforward, simple and easy. So next, for the braided hair, just get yourself a pack or 2 packs of jumbo braid from the beauty supply. I got myself, I think I got about 2 packs from the beauty supply store. Look at me, I put on glasses and it feels like I can't even see sometimes. I ended up buying 2 different colors from the beauty supply store, thinking they were the same color. Open this pack and trying to attach this hair to my hair, that I discovered that they were 2 different colors. But whichever the case, I am still going to make it work regardless. I'm just going to add them together, comb it, mix it up, and then let's see how that comes out. You can see, guys, it's a mixture of like burgundy and brown and black. Like there's so many things going on, but process, guys, trust the process. So yeah, after fluffing the hair together, I just took a rubber band to attach it to my hair. Next, I am going to be braiding this hair down. I just took out this little part because this is what I'm going to use to secure both of the hair together. Like I'm going to secure the attachment and my own hair together, so I just pulled out this little part. There was nowhere for me to pin it down, so I just hooked it to my glasses in the front. You can find any way that you can use to like just separate it from the back. That way it's not going to be interfering with you braiding the hair behind. So at this point, I just realized that the hair is actually too much. I'm using too much hair, but guys, when I put my mind to doing something, I just want to get it done and get it done quickly. So I'm still going to make it work. I just separated them into 2 different parts. Next, I am going to braid them up together. I just finished braiding up the hair together. Next, I'm going to take that little strand of hair that I left behind and I'm going to wrap it around my hair just to secure the braided hair and my actual hair together. So this is how the hair turned out to be. This is the final look. Let me know if you guys like this hairstyle, if you're going to be trying it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.